and welcome back to my channel. This is Didsbury Art Studio and I'm Sally. And in today's video, I am going to be doing some smocking. It looks like rippled fabric, like water, so it's quick and easy and I think you're going to like it. So let's get into it. Okay, so hopefully you can hear me. We've got the Formula One going on in the other room, and then outside we've got a car being washed, so hope you can't hear any of that. But on my fabric here, but what I'm doing is I'm using a ruler and marking off. You can see I've done it in all of these. So I'm going to put a dot in each of the centers. Let me show you what the design. So we need to have one dot in the center, then miss a gap, and then another, miss a gap, and then another. So over here, this one, leave a dot, this one, leave a dot. So every other one. I'm going to start up here on the top left. There we go. And I'm going to bring my needle up. Small little gap there. I've put a knot at the other end of my upholstery thread. I'm going to bring my needle up through the center, small little stitch, and across to the bottom left, again a small little stitch, and then we are going to try again pulling. So I'm going to pull that in, pull that in, and pull that in, grab and pop a little stitch through the top. Like so, and again, tie a knot. Is you sew, leave a gap, sew, leave a gap, and we're just going to move to the next one. So top right, hoping that knot's going to hold, yep. And then small stitch. Small stitch. And then we're going to pull. Pull, pull, pull. Through the folds. Tie a knot. And another. I'm just going to cut that off. And that's what we've got right now. So I'm going to do the first row all the way across and then show you once again. That's what it looks like. Then we're going to miss a square and go down to the next one and complete this next row. Okay, that's 2 rows done. Row 3. So we go little stitch, tiny stitch all those up together and then do a little stitch across there, like so. Layla! Hey, you come to join Sally? Yeah? You gonna jump up here? Been licking your lips? You just had a little snack? Oh, you're so elegant with your little jump. So, Layla, you appear to be lying on my work. Yeah? You're lying on my work. Hey, Stevie. So nearly there. So nearly there. Last row. I have finished that, and then we're just going to turn it over. Ripply, and I like it. See what you think. Here we go. You just need to sort of titivate it a little bit and move the fabric around. And I also need to take the pen off it. There we go. So I hope you enjoyed this video today and that the actual technique, the smocking, is something that perhaps you will have a go at or use, or it might incorporate into a project that you're doing, or just simply to try it. All right then, hope you have a great week and I will see you shortly. Goodbye.